Hey folks, it's Mike and Michelle, and we're going to do a quick little trip today. Check out this place in Charlestown, Indiana, kind of across from where Charlestown State Park is. This is called the 10 Penny Nature Reserve. What is it? 9 penny, not 10 penny, 9 penny. I was a penny over. But anyway, we'll check this out. Heard some cool things about it. And it's close to Charlestown Park and some other things. So this is more so for folks that live in Indiana, like the Louisville area, Kentuckiana, let's call that. So we'll see what it looks like. All right, we'll see you in a bit. So here we are. Welcome to 9 Penny Branch Nature Preserve. Protects old growth, beech tulip forest, a glade, cliffs, ravines, and second growth forest. Let's see where we are. Oh, we're right there. I guess we're gonna follow this whole thing. Ooh, waterfall. This looks pretty cool. Elevation. All right, here we go. Let's catch up to Michelle. We had a lot of things that we kind of wanted to do today. We thought about kayaking, but car's in the shop, so that didn't happen. And Michelle's been wanting to check some more places out for these wildflowers while they're blooming. Our left, it looks like there's a drop-off, and I guess that's where there's a creek and possibly the waterfall. I heard some water and somebody sitting right there, so this must be a switchback trail. And with the rain we've had in the past couple days, I hope the waterfall's running. We don't know what it looks like, but hopefully it's running.
We could even go to Cliffy Falls.
This is a pretty place. This really is a nice trail. And difficulty is, so far, easy. We're still trying to kind of spot some flowers that we haven't seen before. And look at this little sitting area. Let me see if you can see below. What's this sign? 9 Penny Branch Nature Preserve.
Oh, that's nice.
Huh.
Oh, look.
Yeah, there's water down there. A little bit of a drop off. Not sketchy though. You can hear the water down there. Temperature's awesome. And we got blue sky.
Oh, it's so blue. You wouldn't even think it was going to rain.
But it's nice and cool too.
Not. They've been wrong.
Trails aren't bad, even with the rain we've had.
Yeah, it's dry.
Oh, that was a huge ass pileated woodpecker. That thing was huge. Got a little bridge here. Look at that. Little creek. Here's some these old stone walls, the stacked stone walls. Usually I find these along creeks and where they're trying to keep the creeks from going outside their banks. A lot of Virginia creeper growing on them. If done right, these stacked stone fences or walls can last hundreds of years.
Marking a local wagon route through the area.
So the old stone wall there, the dry stone walls, they were built without any mortar, so they're just stacked properly. And I was trying to figure out what the purpose of that wall was there in the middle of nowhere, what I think would be nowhere. But I think it was just marking an old wagon trail through the area. Like I said, if done right, those walls can last for hundreds of years. We're down to the creek.
Look how pretty that is. You can't really get a shot though because all that.
Oh yeah, well, we can get across it.
Down. It's very low places.
Yeah. And this creek here empties into 14 Mile Creek, which then crosses over going east, crosses under 62 and into the Charlestown State Park area, which then 14 Mile Creek empties into the Ohio River. Check out this view, folks, going along this creek. We're liking this trail. Really easy. Relaxing. Bob Ross would love this place. Seems like a lot of happy everything out here. Yeah, this is where all the logs get swept into all this right here. Looks like someone been camping down here, which probably is not allowed. We might climb over here in a second. We're just gonna, let's just post down here and then check it out and see where we can go from here. Michelle's done made it across. And let's see if her husband can make it across too without any incident. And if there is any incident, it will be on tape. Or on video, rather. I can't tell if these rocks are slippery. They kind of feel shit. Slippery. Huh? No, I didn't fall. That's kind of slid a little bit. Oh, shit. All right. I did it. Hey, Michelle just cruised across that. Look, somebody else doing another fire over here. What's up with that? Oh, look. A shelter. What, somebody living back here? Camping back here? Maybe it's the neighborhood kids. Have little forts. I guess that's all right. We always made forts when we were kids. Out in the woods. We lived out in Pennsylvania. Out in the country. It ends. Yeah. Michelle's wanting to go check out this other spot on the creek.
It's hard to get to.
Yeah. Now I haven't seen any minnows or anything in this water except for them water bugs. They haven't swam up yet from 14 Mile Creek. See all that dripping down? We always love these trails that go along creeks. There's a little bench here and a little waterfall. Look, they put a bench for you all to sit there and check out that waterfall. How nice is that? Where the water comes around to the waterfall. And then look, it even goes underneath there. You see that? So instead of the water going that way over the waterfall, curving over this way. That's pretty neat. What a beautiful spot this is. The creek. That's looking upstream. Make our way back over. That's pretty awesome. That's cool right there. The water's coming out through there. Through that track. Let's see. Get some shots from over here. Probably a good little swimming hole here during the summer. Hang out there in the shade. All right, I think we're gonna mosey on and see what else there is to check out. I love this spot though. This water is so clear. You just see the bottom of the creek right there. Dude, what the heck is all this? These things growing on there. Yeah. Who knows what they are. Probably up to no good. Whatever they are. Anyway, let's get away from those things. I don't want them attaching to me. Yeah, you can see the trail over there going up. All right, I should have worn my other boots, but these will do just fine, as long as nothing's slippery. All right. Oh shit! Oh god! Be careful, baby. Some of these rocks are moving. Ooh, that water is cold. Feels good. See? All right, we've made it. Yeah. This has turned out to be a really cool trail. And we've only seen a couple of people, actually two couples. Stopped to talk to one of the couples, kind of exchange info on different hiking places. Now look at this. Look at this rock wall. This is Mother Nature's doing. Kind of stacked up, just like those dry stone walls that we saw a little while ago. Unless, I don't know, maybe this is the wall that they did. I guess it is. But down there, that wasn't a stacked rock. This is definitely stacked rock here. Still going up. Got some big trees out here. Got that, look at that big beech.
Look at that one.
Look at those, how big those trees are right there. And for second growth, they're pretty big. I don't see any carving on the trees, hooray. Look at that one. That one grew fast. Check these out. Now, Michelle just pointed out a big patch of them. What is it? They don't have any real leaves, and they live.
They get their nutrition from the tree.
Yeah, they get their nutrition. It's almost like parasitic, and they don't need any sunlight. Interesting looking. They feed off of the trees, off their roots. Right there. Might be Michelle's luck to find some more morels out here. She found that patch when we were in Arkansas. Oh, look at this. This is tucked away right here. Little community of them. Right next to the poison ivy. Oh, those are twin leaves?
Yeah, I think they're blend.
Yeah, looks like it.
They're not blend yet.
No. Is that what these things are?
Yeah.
Oh, is that mulch? Looks like mulch. But
Wow.
in actuality, it's where the woodpeckers have been pecking on this old tree. I can't tell what kind of tree. Is it a beech tree? Looks like it. Sinkhole.
Sinkhole. Man,
Yeah.
that's a big sinkhole.
Yeah.
Crazy.
And then I guess it comes out on this side. I don't know. Now Michelle has remembered what that plant was back there. It's called squaw root. And it doesn't require leaves to grow because of photosynthesis. And she said it was parasitic to the trees. But that's not the word. Where we saw that sinkhole, that was just back up there. And coming down this is a dry creek bed. And as I was walking this way, what do I hear? Can you all hear that water? Okay, so there's water. Look, 2 dry creek beds. And lo and behold, look at this. Water just coming out of the ground here. See that? Dry there. Water bubbling up right there from that hole right there. That's kind of neat. And then that water comes from in here. Flowing down. There's a pretty decent jack in the pulpit. Oh, looks like something's growing down there. Yeah, look at this. It's the jack in the pulpit. Michelle found a feather.
Ooh, look how big that one is.
Ooh, that's another big beach. She got a feather in her cap. Yeah, this must be the spot where we kind of came up and saw the big trees. I bet this is the end of this loop. Yeah, look how big those trees are, y'all. Creek crossing. Small creek. This must be the water from that other creek we saw earlier.
Ooh, look at those little mushrooms.
Let's see. There she is. Here's some trillium, and then look behind it. Another jack in the pulpit.
Still looking for ladyfingers.
Yeah, no ladyfingers, but I've seen quite a few of these jack in the pulpits. And of course, the trilliums everywhere, and the mayaples.
So the leaves are...
Here's another occasion where we're going down the trail alongside of a dry creek bed. And then, not dry anymore. Water's coming out from underneath the ground over there until there's a flow right there heading down to the main creek that will then end up going and draining into 14 Mile Creek. All sorts of little game trails coming through here. Seen a lot of them. Haven't seen any deer. Back on the main trail, and we are gonna head back to the car. We gotta cross the creek first, and we're gonna figure out what else to do because the rain's not gonna be here until 7 o'clock. Might as well make use of this non-rainy time. I can hear the waterfall. Here we go. I'm trying to help Michelle find these wildflowers, and then we were looking at a plant and I said, that there looks like that's lamb's ear, and then she started making fun of me. How'd you say it?
He said, I think that lamb's ear.
See, making fun of me. This one I think was loose. Yep, that one was loose. Whoa. Okay. This one wasn't loose. Look at Michelle. Alright, my foot's getting wet. Oh. I did it. Michelle's got that engine going because she didn't have the difficulty I did.
I got my waterproof boots in it.
Yeah, she's got waterproof boots. Here's this. Makes you want to pee. And then there's that waterfall. That is a beautiful waterfall. Good thing no one's out during the week. Get the place to ourselves. We're sitting here on the bench looking at the waterfall, and if you notice this little triangle shape right there, and then that spot right there, this rock that's partially submerged fits right there in that spot. That little gap right there fits it like a puzzle. I wonder if anyone heard that when it fell. We're walking back up the trail above the creek, and you probably can't see this. Hopefully you can. Bunch of these little ducklings. Wonder where Mama is. So we're just about back to the trailhead. We have been at the Ninepenny Branch Nature Preserve in Charlestown, Indiana. It's off the Tunnel Mill Road. This, it's a short trail, but I think we've probably done this maybe an hour and a half.
Yeah, we
maybe.
just took our time.
Took our time. There's so much to see.
Sat by the little waterfalls.
Yeah, great little waterfall. The trail kind of ran along the creek. There is a pretty cool spot where there's a waterfall and you can hang out there and just chill. Did a loop past the creek where we tried to find a bunch of wildflowers. And we did see a bunch of the Jack in the Pulpit, Trillium. The trees out there on that side were huge. Big beech trees, big oak trees, just massive. And what else did we see? I don't know. All I know is, oh yeah, we saw a bunch of baby ducklings in the creek. This place, I don't know how many people come out here, but the trail is really well maintained, and we just felt so relaxed. It was such a nice, relaxing hike, and to check out cool things out here. The weather's been great for us. I would definitely give this a Bukayu 2 thumbs up.
Yep.
And we'll see you on the next trip. See you, folks.